Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Shoe Wipes Cleaner is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to keep your sneakers looking their best, and in this video, we will put this product to the test, examining its cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value to determine if it lives up to the hype and becomes a staple in your sneaker care routine. We'll cover everything from its effectiveness on various materials and stains to its impact on the longevity of your shoes, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Say hello to the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit, your new secret weapon for sparkling clean shoes. It's designed to effortlessly revitalize all your favorite footwear. This kit makes cleaning a breeze. The included bottle and brush are perfectly designed for tackling dirt and grime on various materials. Whether you have leather, suede, nubuck, or white sneakers, it's got you covered. It gently cleans without damaging delicate materials. Pink Miracle's unique formula effectively removes stains and discoloration, leaving your shoes looking their best. It's the ultimate solution for shoe care. Bring back the vibrancy of your shoes with Pink Miracle. Watch as it transforms your worn-out footwear into show-stopping pieces. See how easily it cleans different materials. Watch your shoes go from dull to dazzling with this amazing kit. What we like. This kit is perfect if you need a thorough clean for various shoe materials. It's great for deep cleaning and tackling tough stains. If you're looking for a complete solution to keep your shoes in top condition, this is the one for you. What people say. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner is very effective at cleaning dirty white shoes. It is easy to use and works rather quickly depending on how dirty your shoes are. You scrub the product into the brush and scrub, but I have also directly applied product to the dirty creases and let sit for a while and then scrub. You don't need to use a lot. Some shoes may need a couple rounds of cleaning. It also cleans any white rubber soles on shoes or flip-flops super quickly and easily. This stuff works like a charm. I have gym shoes I wear pretty regularly and they get scuffed up from the floor and mats. The product did not have any distinguishable odor, lathered a tiny bit, and had a water-like consistency. It was easy to apply and worked quickly to remove scuffs, leaving my shoes looking refreshed. I appreciated that it didn't leave any residue or require excessive scrubbing. The scrub brush was well made and didn't seem too rough on my mesh shoe material. I used it on my black limited edition Timberland suede boots. I had ruined the leather by applying the wrong proofer that made them halfway glossy in a weird way. This product brought them back perfectly and I used literally a teaspoon of it to do it. Number 4. Shoe Sneaker Wipes. Are your sneakers looking a little worse for wear? These wipes make cleaning a breeze, so you can keep your shoes looking their best. They're perfect for travel and on-the-go cleaning. Keep a pack in your bag and tackle dirt and stains wherever you are. These wipes effectively remove dirt and stains from your shoes. Just wipe and watch them disappear. Cleaning your shoes has never been easier or faster. Simply wipe and you're done. Each wipe is disposable, ensuring a hygienic and convenient cleaning experience every time. No mess, no fuss. This twin pack gives you 120 wipes, enough to keep your shoes sparkling clean for months. Stock up and stay prepared. What we like. Always on the go. These wipes are perfect for quick cleanups wherever you are. Their disposability makes them super convenient. If you value portability and ease of use, you should choose this product. What people say. These clothes are great for cleaning shoes without discoloring or bleaching them. Good quality. These have been great for my leather sneakers and my son's shoes. They're very convenient to use and have helped keep my white leather sneakers clean. These shoe wipes have saved restored many pairs of shoe sneakers in my household. I have a young son, now 8, and have been using these on his sneakers for years. They look brand new again except for some wear and tear that has nothing to do with the wipes. Last week they took syrup stains out of my son's 2-day-old gray fabric Adidas sneakers. Couldn't tell it was ever there. Number 3. Shoe Cleaner Shoe Wipes. Tired of dirty shoes? These wipes make cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to scuffs and stains. Simply wipe to remove dirt and grime. It's that easy. No scrubbing required. Perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Keep a pack in your bag or car for any cleaning emergency. These wipes effectively remove tough stains and dirt. They leave your shoes looking fresh and clean. Use them on leather, suede, canvas. They're gentle yet effective on a variety of materials. Watch as your shoes are transformed from dull and dirty to sparkling clean. It's amazing. What we like. These wipes are a simple and effective way to clean your shoes. They're easy to use and get the job done quickly. If you need a fuss-free cleaning solution, this is the best option for you. What people say. Works well. It depends on the type of material you need to clean. Not suitable for highly textured rubber soles. Cleans smooth soles immediately. I use these wipes on the rubber around my sneakers which get dirty frequently. They look like new now and it cleaned completely in about 2 minutes. It cleans pretty good. Of course, it is not magic, but it works. The shoe in front had more texture in the sole and got clean but not perfect. The one in the back I have used for months and it looks like new. Took me 5 minutes and 1 wipe sheet to clean both pairs. Number 2. SneakERASERS Instant Sneaker Cleaner. These pre-moistened sponges are perfect for quick cleaning anytime, anywhere. Their compact size and individual packaging make them ideal for travel. Reactivate them with water if they dry out. They're designed for optimal performance on smooth white soles. The white side breaks down naturally with use to tackle scuffs, while the orange side removes any remaining dirt. It features dual-layer technology, micro-scrubbers, and a special cleaning formula. These work together to erase tough marks and dirt effectively. No harsh scrubbing needed. Just gently glide it across your shoes to watch stains disappear effortlessly. It's that simple. They work on various shoe types, from sneakers and tennis shoes to even leather shoes. Keep your shoes looking their best for any occasion. As a top-selling shoe cleaning brand on Amazon, it's a trusted choice for keeping your shoes clean. We also offer a range of other cleaning products. These work great on many popular shoe brands, including Nike, Adidas, Converse, and more. Keep all your favorite shoes looking fresh. What we like. This product's unique dual-layer design makes cleaning a breeze. It's powerful enough to tackle tough scuffs yet gentle on your shoes. If you want effortless cleaning with lasting results, this is the one for you. What people say. They are absolutely amazing, just a couple swipe and all the dirt is gone, and they also able to clean the plastic-like areas on the uppers that I hadn't previously been able to get marks off of. These are really handy to polish the shoes and soles after golf or run. Not designed to remove caked-on mud, just a cleanup. Small size for the gym or golf bag. To use, open the package and wipe the shoes. They are durable, last for 2 sets of shoes giving them a nice look. This works really well. Not for canvas, but for the rubber sole and synthetic upper it really works well. Number 1. Markk Quick Wipes. These convenient wipes make cleaning your shoes a breeze. Say goodbye to dirt and grime with ease. Each wipe is individually packaged, ensuring freshness and portability. Perfect for on-the-go cleaning. It's safe to use on leather, suede, nubuck, cotton, and knits. Clean all your favorite shoes with confidence. They're perfect for sneakers and other footwear. Keep your shoes looking their best. Simply wipe to clean. It's that easy. Get sparkling clean shoes in seconds. Trust Markk for superior shoe care products. Keep your shoes looking fresh and new. What we like. These wipes are safe for various materials and provide effective cleaning. They are individually packaged for convenience. If you prioritize safety and convenience, this is the product for you. What people say. They're durable, moist enough to tackle messes, and leave no sticky residue behind. Perfect for on-the-go use, whether for hands, surfaces, or small spills. Great for travel, and for a quick shine at home when in a hurry. They also work on running shoes. The 2-sided wipe with a soft side and a rough side was genius. The rough side of the wipe is good for scrubbing down dirt and scuffs off the soles of the shoe, and the soft side is good for wiping the tops and kind of polishing them up. These wipes are tough and good quality too. One wipe allowed me to clean a whole pair of shoes without fraying or breaking apart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.